Hi, this is Alicia from WorkersOnBoard.com. In this video today, I'm going to tell you about a company that pays you up to $55,000 a year to work from home. Also, if you live in Canada, a work-at-home company that will pay you close to $20 an hour, plus a non-phone work-at-home job that pays $60 to $70 an hour, and it's legitimate. Now, I decided to record on a different device today, so hopefully it goes without a hitch. And if you all have some issues with it, just leave me some comments below this video. Don't forget to join our Facebook groups. Please join Workers on Board community because someone posted at least 100 companies that hire people to work from home. Some of them I wasn't aware of, so it'll give you a lot of resources to help you on your work at home journey so that you can have many choices and many companies to choose from, and hopefully you'll get a work at home job a little bit faster. Now in this video I'm going to talk about some of these companies, and you know that you can always go to my blog and find out additional work at home jobs on the weekly job section, Friday freebie page, as well as the home page. Now, some of these companies are on the weekly job section that I just posted a couple of days ago. Two of them come from, actually three come from Kelly Connect, Amazon, as well as Working Solutions. Now, Kelly Connect has a different position other than their chat and tech support agents or advisors that they need to work from home, which really you're going to be contracting through them for Apple. But this is a new job. I can't remember all the details, but it is on the weekly job section, so make sure you go there and check it out. And Amazon, I believe they're hiring bilingual agents to work from home in their customer service department. So that's also on the weekly job section. And Working Solutions, they need people to work in their retail customer service department, so make sure you apply to that as well. There's also a work at home job from Sutherland Global. They need people to assist those with their streaming services. So it's actually called a streaming service rep, and it pays $11.50 an hour. And that's also on the weekly job section. So there's four. But actually there's way more than that, because I try to leave as many jobs there on that page that I've posted previous weeks or not too long ago, so that you can still have an opportunity to apply if those positions have not been filled. If you live in Canada, Asurion is hiring reps to work from home to handle inbound calls from customers regarding wireless handset insurance claims. Now you do need 1 year experience, and you have to type 25 words a minute. You need a quiet work environment. You get 2 days off a week, full benefits after 30 days. Now this is a full-time work at home job. So, if you speak English only, pays $15.50 an hour. If you're a bilingual, add $1 more to that. If you work after 5 and on the weekends, 50 cents differential pay for you. And they have a monthly bonus plan up to $600 a month. So your total earning potential, if you live in Canada and you want to work from home for Asurion, is $19.50 an hour. Now, Conduent, they have several work-at-home positions available in multiple locations, whether you live in Texas, or you live in New York, or you live in California, or you live in Georgia. It really doesn't matter. Somewhere in between, Oklahoma, Arkansas, wherever, you can work from home for this company. There is 3 steps to their hiring process, and I like that because you know exactly what is going to be required of you and what you need to do. One of the things you'll have to do is complete a technical customer service assessment, a typing test. You only need to type 30 words a minute, an interview with the hiring manager. So once you complete all those steps and it's satisfactory, then you can work for them. They have lots of positions available for tech support, customer service, and customer support. You do need to have a strong interest in using technology, 6 months experience. So if you're interested in that, please go to the Friday freebie page and apply to those positions. There is another work at home job, and I thought that this one was really an important job to do from home. And it's also great for those who don't have experience. It comes from a company named Gaggle. This is a service that is used to basically identify and uncover drug use, bullying, teen depression, threats of school violence, suicidal intentions, and abusive domestic situations of students in grades kindergarten up to the 12th grade. It says here that they have a work at home job, and the name of that position is called a Level 1 safety rep. You will be required to work at least 10 hours a week. There is no experience, but you will have to do a lot of reading so that you can monitor and analyze students' activity to identify potentially, not necessarily, but if you come across it, inappropriate usage of words, phrases, statements, and images that are contained within an email, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and more. So for this position, you need good communication skills. You need to know slang words that kids and teenagers use. Have experience with social media, fast internet, and a computer, laptop, or a Chromebook. So if you have a Chromebook and you have limited jobs, you can apply to this one. Tablets and phones are not allowed. It pays $10 an hour. It's on the Friday freebie page. The job that pays up to $55,000 a year comes from Photo Booth. They currently have openings for remote workers to help their owners with any questions that they have about the ordering process or technical issues. You need 1 year experience. You must be empathetic, have a Windows 10 on your computer, and it pays up to from $40,000 up to $55,000 a year, which is not really bad. Postmates, they also need people to deliver items to others. And so here you need a bike, scooter, or motorcycle. You take home 100% of your earnings, which is great, plus tips. And you can get paid instantly or weekly through direct deposit. So if you're interested in that, make sure you click on the link below this video. The job that I forgot to write down for some reason comes from a company called Scribe, I think. And it's on the Friday freebie page. And they need ghostwriters and editors to work from home. Excuse me. You must have experience. And you will earn $60 to $70 an hour. You will be writing books and gathering information from various individuals and sources. So you can read more details about it, but it pays $60 to $70 an hour. So if you have, or if you're familiar with writing, or if you have experience doing this, you may definitely want to check that out. Don't forget to use Quick Rewards. They've kind of changed and updated their whole interface and their website, which is really user-friendly, and it will help you to get paid within 24 hours or less, and you can make money playing games, participating in different trials and studies that they have online, answering questions, taking surveys, completing offers, and it's open to not just to people in the U.S. but other countries. So definitely check that out. They have pretty good reviews across the board online, so you can check that out. The link is below this video. Don't forget to use Ibotta and Rakuten, because they will pay you, literally give you cash back to shop. You will get $10 when you join Ibotta and also Rakuten, and they have a lot of free offers. I think if you buy oatmeal, you get a free jar if you upload your receipt before the end of next month from Ibotta. So don't forget to use that. Plus you can earn when you refer other people to use this app. It's free to download on Google Play or the App Store, and definitely check it out. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget there are way more jobs on the Friday freebie page posted today. And don't forget to go to my blog, because there are a list of things that you can do to make $20 by the end of the day. Make sure you check that out. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do so, and make sure you check out for my next video.